Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried updating your website images in WordPress and got lost in all those menus, don't worry, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to replace images on your WordPress site without breaking your layout or touching any code. By the end of this video, you'll be able to swap out any image on your site in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Access your WordPress site first. Open your preferred browser. I'll use Google Chrome here, but you can use anything you like. Now, go to wordpress.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the right-hand side under Quick Links and click on Edit Site. This will take you directly to your website editor, where you can make changes to your pages visually, kind of like a drag and drop builder. Locate the image you want to replace. Next, scroll through your page and find the image that you want to update. Maybe it's your homepage banner, a product image, or just an old graphic that doesn't match your new design. Whatever it is, click on that image. Once selected, you'll notice a toolbar pop up at the top of your editor. Replace the image now. Here's the easiest part. In that toolbar, click on the Replace icon. It usually looks like a picture frame with arrows or a refresh symbol. You'll get two main options: upload if you want to add a brand new image from your computer, or open media library if the image you want to use is already uploaded. Let's choose open media library. Here, you'll see all the images you've previously added to your WordPress site. Just pick the new one you want to use and click select. And that's it. Your old image instantly gets replaced with a new one right on the page. No coding, no page reloads, and no stress. Save your changes. Before you leave, don't forget to click Update or Publish in the top right corner. This ensures your new image is live for everyone to see. You can then preview your site to double check that everything looks perfect. And that's it. You just learned how to replace images on your WordPress site the easiest way possible in. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick WordPress guides, and drop a comment if there's a specific tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.